Hey everybody, welcome back to Hammered Halo. I'm Rob, and I hope you're all having a safe and enjoyable May-long weekend. As for us, we have to stick to our priorities and do a bunch more maintenance around the acreage. I'd much rather be out sitting around a campfire enjoying the weekend, but we've got to finish all the stuff around the acreage and get it up for sale. So working toward our goal of a debt-free 2020. This weekend we are going to do some yard work. We're going to pressure wash the deck, get it ready for staining, and I've got to make a trip into town, take care of my mother's place, which is up for sale, and I've got some showings this weekend, so I've got to do some yard work there. So that's what we're going to do this weekend. I hope you guys stick around, and let's get started. I forgot the weed eater, so...
Yeah, but there's not much.
No, I know.
No.
What?
Red door house.
The red door house, yeah, hopefully it sells. I got some people looking at it this weekend, so let's hope for the best.
Hours in.
Yeah.
Hot.
Okay, time to get back to work. First mow of the year is pretty wet. Not bad for the first cut of the year. To show you a quick inside shot of this house of my mother's for sale. It's amazing. It's a nice, cute little bi-level that just, for the life of me, doesn't sell. It's been on the market for 7 months. Pricing has been dropped twice. We did a renovation in here. New granite, new flooring. We staged the whole thing with furniture. It's quite nice, but for some reason, we got a ton of people looking at it, but nobody wanting to buy it yet. So anyhow, just give you a quick shot of everything. Master bedroom, ensuite, jet tub. It's got everything going for it for a great starter home. Not to mention it has a full suite in the basement. 3 bedrooms up, nice kitchen, nice little living room, and a full suite in the basement that we built about 8 years ago. Janine and I did this suite up, full kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and this could easily rent in this area for $800 a month to supplement anybody's mortgage payment. So whether a family member, it's not an enclosed suite, it is accessible to the rest of the house, which really makes it great for in-laws or, you know, family members that may need a helping hand during these times. But for some reason, this house is not selling, so I'm hoping for this weekend to maybe get an offer on it, but we'll see. I'll keep you up to date. Anyhow, I gotta get back to the acreage, get doing some real work, yard work, pressure wash the deck, and get it ready for stain. So this is my Husqvarna Zero Turn, which I purchased a couple years ago. It definitely saves time. I had an old John Deere LA 175 before, and this thing definitely saves time. I would say across the whole acreage that I have to mow, it takes me about 2 hours. On the John Deere, I would be 3+ hours. So this is definitely worth the investment. Having a zero turn, it makes the job go so much faster. But like I said before, it hasn't started for 8 months. It's been packed away for winter, and we will see if we can get her going. Well, that's not too good. I think I will try to boost it. Okay, so I boosted it, it ran, but once I shut it down, it did not start again. So what I did, I ran out, bought a battery, and I'm just gonna swap that out now. What a new battery will do. Instantly starts up just like that after 8 months. So I'm just going to let it idle up here for a while, kind of charge that battery up, and then we'll put her to the test. Okay, so here's the deck we're going to pressure wash today. It has obviously seen better days, but we've got to move all this furniture off. Probably just haul it down to the lower deck down there, and then get the pressure washer up here and start pressure washing this thing, so I can hopefully get it stained tomorrow, provided the weather holds up. So because it's May long weekend, we've got some campers camping close to our home, just right down in the field, right there. And last night, I don't know if you can see it, I can't zoom in anymore, but there's some black right there alongside that pond. Well, last night they had a grass fire start up from their campfire, and it got out of control, smoked out the whole area, and luckily they got it under control, because that could have been quite a disaster.
Are you done with me? I'm going back to the front to weed.
Yeah, no, it's all good. I'm going to pressure wash this up, let her dry, and we'll stain her up.
We're gonna stain it.
I think so.
You see what it did the last time when we stained it? I stained it? It
Yeah.
all flaked up. You want to do that?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks for your help.
Yeah.
So that is pretty much it for pressure washing. This took quite a while, about 2 hours, plus I ran out of gas, so I had to run and grab some gas, come back, finally finished. I think it looks pretty good. The sun is beating down hard right now, so it should dry it up pretty quick, and hopefully we can get her stained up tomorrow.
Clear? You can put on it? Make it look like it's stained?
A clear.
Yeah. That wet look.
I think we got to go with brown. It's too much mildew in there, plus, I don't know, it just needs a coat of semi-transparent brown or something.
Yeah.
What do you think? Well, the clouds rolled in last night. Today is pretty cloudy, a little bit of rain last night. So we're gonna have to push the staining of this deck off to the next video. But I want to thank everybody for hanging out, watching, and if you enjoyed the video and you want to help us out, hit the like button. It does wonders, and don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time. Peace out.